Stop. Right now, you're probably wasting hundreds of dollars on gas because someone lied to you. Premium fuel? Scam. Morning fill-ups? Myth. Those magic additives? Total garbage. I'm about to destroy 10 fuel lies that big oil wants you to believe. And by the end of this video, you'll never waste money at the pump again. Let's go. Myth 1. Premium gas makes your car faster. Let's start with the biggest scam at every gas station. You see 3 buttons: regular, plus, premium. And you think, premium sounds better, right? Wrong. You just got played. Here's the truth bomb. That octane number has nothing to do with power. Premium doesn't have more energy. It doesn't make you faster. The octane rating measures one thing only: resistance to knocking. High-performance engines with turbochargers create extreme heat and pressure. They need premium to prevent knocking. But your Honda Civic? Your Toyota Camry? They don't have this problem. Check your owner's manual right now. If it says recommended premium, that means optional. If it says required, then okay, use it. But 90% of cars run perfectly on regular. Let's talk money. Premium costs 50 cents more per gallon. Fill up weekly with 15 gallons? That's $400 per year you're burning for literally zero benefit. You're not going faster. You're not getting better mileage. You're just making gas stations richer. But doesn't premium clean better? Nope. That's the detergent additives, not octane. Regular gas has those too if you buy top-tier certified. Bottom line, unless your manual says required, switch to regular today. $400 a year buys actual upgrades, not imaginary ones. Myth 2. Filling up in the morning gives you more fuel. This myth is ancient, and it needs to die. The story? Fuel expands when hot, contracts when cold. Fill up in the cool morning, get denser fuel, more bang for your buck. Sounds smart. Completely wrong. Why? Gas stations don't store fuel above ground where it bakes in the sun. Those tanks are buried 10 to 12 feet underground. Temperature down there stays constant, all day, all night. Whether it's summer or winter, 6 a.m. or 6 p.m., that fuel is the same temperature. The density change is microscopic, less than 1%. Run the math? You'd save maybe $2 per year. Meanwhile, you're waking up early, driving out of your way, wasting time and gas to get there. You're actually losing money with this strategy. And here's the kicker. Modern pumps have temperature compensation systems anyway. They automatically adjust for any density changes. So, congratulations, you played yourself. Sleep in, fill up whenever it's convenient, and stop obsessing over a $2 annual savings that doesn't exist. Myth 3. Never fill your tank completely. Here's a fun one. People say a full tank adds weight, kills your fuel economy. Keep it half full to save gas. Let's do the math. A gallon of gas weighs 6 pounds. Full tank versus half tank? About 100 pounds difference. Sounds like a lot, right? Wrong. That weight reduces fuel economy by less than 1%. We're talking maybe $15 per year in extra fuel costs. Now here's what they don't tell you. Running your tank low constantly destroys your fuel pump. Fuel pumps use gasoline to stay cool. Run it low? Pump overheats. Replacement cost? $400 to $600. Oh, and all that sediment and crud sitting at the bottom of your tank? When you're constantly low, your fuel pump sucks that garbage straight into your fuel system. Clogged filters, damaged injectors, rough running engine. Plus, you're stopping for gas all the time. That's wasted time, wasted trips, and if you run out, towing fees, roadside assistance, emergency fill-ups at double the price. So let's recap. You save $15 per year, but risk a $600 repair and constant inconvenience. Genius strategy. Fill your tank. Your fuel pump will last longer, you'll stop less often, and you won't be that person calling AAA because you ran out of gas. Again. Myth 4. Fuel additives significantly boost MPG. Walk into any auto parts store and you'll see them. Bottles of miracle fuel additives promising 20 to 30% better gas mileage. Just pour this $15 bottle in your tank and watch the savings roll in. Total garbage. Here's what they don't tell you. Modern gasoline already contains detergent additives. Top-tier certified gas? It's got high-quality cleaning agents built in. You're already getting the good stuff. Independent testing by the EPA and FTC? These additives show 0 to 2% improvement, at best. Most do absolutely nothing. Let's run the numbers. That $15 bottle claims 20% better mileage. You fill up twice a month, spend $60 on gas each time. 20% savings is $12. But you spent $15 on the additive. You lost $3. And that's if it actually worked, which it doesn't. Worse, some additives damage oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. You're paying to potentially destroy expensive components. The only winners here? The companies selling this snake oil. Want actual results? Use top-tier certified gasoline consistently. Change your air filter. Keep tires properly inflated. Drive smoothly. These free or cheap methods actually work. Save your $15. Those miracle bottles are miraculously good at one thing: separating you from your money. Myth 5. AC off always saves more than windows down. Here's the debate that's destroyed friendships. AC versus windows down. Everyone says, turn off the AC, it kills your mileage. Roll the windows down instead. They're half right, which means half wrong. Here's the actual science. At low speeds, below 45 miles per hour, windows down wins. AC uses about 2 to 3% more fuel. City driving, neighborhood cruising, windows down is better. But hit the highway, everything flips. At highway speeds above 45 miles per hour, open windows create massive aerodynamic drag. Your car is literally pushing against a wall of air. This increases drag by 20% or more. Your engine works way harder. Fuel economy tanks. Meanwhile, modern AC systems are incredibly efficient. At highway speeds, running AC uses less fuel than fighting all that wind resistance. The physics are simple. Drag increases exponentially with speed. Double your speed, quadruple the drag. Open windows at 70 miles per hour? You just turned your car into a parachute. So here's your strategy. City driving under 45? Windows down, AC off. Highway over 45? Windows up, AC on. Stop being stubborn. Stop roasting in your car at highway speeds thinking you're saving money. You're not. You're sweating and wasting gas. Use the right tool for the situation. Your comfort and your wallet will both thank you. Myth 6. Warm up your car for 10 minutes. Grandpa told you, let the car warm up for 10 minutes before driving or you'll destroy the engine. Millions of people still do this, every single winter. Here's the problem. Grandpa drove a carburetor engine from 1975. You don't. Modern fuel-injected engines need 30 seconds of warm-up, maximum. That's it. The computer adjusts the fuel mixture automatically. Engine oil circulates in seconds. You're good to go. But people sit there idling for 10, 15 minutes. Let's talk about what you're actually doing. Idling wastes half to 1 gallon of fuel per hour. 10 minutes per day? That's about 100 gallons per year, straight out your tailpipe. At $4 a gallon? $400 burned for nothing. Worse, excessive idling actually increases engine wear. The engine warms up slower when idling. Fuel doesn't burn completely, creating deposits. Condensation builds up. You're actively harming what you're trying to protect. The fastest way to warm up your engine? Drive it gently. Light acceleration. Avoid high RPMs for the first few minutes. Engine reaches operating temperature 2 to 3 times faster. Exception: extreme cold, below -10 Fahrenheit. Give it 3 to 5 minutes max. So tomorrow morning, start the car, buckle up, adjust mirrors, then go. Your engine will warm up while driving, you'll save $400, and you'll stop being that neighbor everyone hates for idling loudly at 6 a.m. Myth 7. Cheap gas damages your engine. Pull up to a no-name gas station and someone always says, "Don't fill up there, cheap gas will destroy your engine. Go to Shell or Chevron." Panic, paranoia, complete nonsense. Here's the secret the big brands don't want you to know. All gasoline comes from the same refineries. That cheap gas at Costco? Same fuel as the expensive station across the street. Literally the same molecules. Brand differences come from additive packages only. Shell adds their detergent mix, Chevron adds theirs, but the base fuel? Identical. What actually matters? Top-tier certification. This means the gas meets higher detergent standards. Guess what? Costco, Sam's Club, and many cheap stations are top-tier certified. You can save 10 to 20 cents per gallon at warehouse clubs. Fill up twice a month, 15 gallons each time? That's $6 to $12 per month. $70 to $150 per year for the exact same fuel quality. But doesn't expensive gas have better additives? Marginally, maybe. Does it matter? Not for 99% of drivers. Use top-tier certified gas, any brand, and you're perfectly fine. Check the top-tier website for certified brands. You'll be shocked how many cheap stations are on there. Stop paying for fancy logos. Your engine can't read brand names. Save that $150 per year and spend it on actual maintenance that matters. Myth 8. Driving slower always saves gas. Everyone knows, drive slower, save gas. Grandma doing 45 in a 65 zone? She's saving the planet, right? Actually, she's wasting gas and making everyone furious. Here's the truth. Every car has an optimal speed for fuel economy, usually between 55 and 65 miles per hour. Go slower or faster, economy drops. Why? Below 40 miles per hour, your engine operates in lower gears at higher RPMs. Inefficient. You're working harder to go slower. Above 65, aerodynamic drag explodes exponentially. Your engine fights wind resistance. Mileage plummets. The sweet spot for most cars? 55 to 60 miles per hour. This is where engine efficiency and aerodynamic drag balance perfectly. Highway hypermilers going 45? They're actually using more fuel than cruising at 55, plus creating dangerous traffic situations. And speeding at 80? Yeah, you're burning way more fuel. Every 5 miles per hour over 60 costs you about 7% in fuel economy. Real-world example, 55 miles per hour might get you 35 miles per gallon. Slow down to 45, drops to 32. Speed up to 75, drops to 28. So stop driving 45 on the highway thinking you're being efficient. You're not. Match the traffic flow between 55 and 65, and you'll actually optimize your mileage. Drive smart, not arbitrarily slow. Myth 9. Premium gas prevents carbon buildup. People say, use premium gas occasionally to clean out your engine and prevent carbon buildup. Dealers sometimes recommend this. Parts store employees swear by it. Complete myth. Here's reality. Octane rating has nothing to do with cleaning power. Premium doesn't clean better. It doesn't prevent deposits. The octane number measures knock resistance, not detergent quality. Carbon buildup prevention comes from detergent additives, not octane level. Regular gas with good additives cleans just as well as premium, better even if the premium isn't top-tier certified. Direct injection engines? They get carbon buildup regardless of octane. The fuel never touches the intake valves. Premium won't fix this. You need walnut blasting or chemical cleaning. Want to actually prevent buildup? Use top-tier certified gas consistently. Any octane level. The detergents do the work. Or try the Italian tune-up, occasional hard acceleration to redline. This burns off deposits way better than premium fuel ever will. And it's free. Running premium occasionally for cleaning? You just wasted $5 to $10 for zero benefit. Do this monthly? That's $60 to $120 per year on useless premium fills. Better solution? Spend $8 once on a bottle of quality fuel system cleaner like Techron, or just stick with top-tier regular gas. Stop falling for the premium cleaning myth. Save $500 per year and actually maintain your car with methods that work. Myth 10. You must use the brand of gas your manual recommends. Here's a sneaky one that dealerships love to push. You're looking through your owner's manual and it says something like, "For best performance, use Shell V-Power," or "Recommended, Chevron with Techron." So, you drive past 3 cheaper stations to fill up at that specific brand, thinking you're protecting your investment. You just got scammed by marketing. Here's the truth. Car manufacturers make partnership deals with fuel companies. Shell pays Ford to put their name in the manual. Chevron pays Toyota. It's advertising, not engineering requirements. Your car's engine doesn't know the difference between Shell, Exxon, or Costco. It can't read logos. The computer doesn't check if you use the recommended brand. What actually matters? The fuel meeting basic standards. In the US, that's ASTM specifications. Every gas station selling fuel legally meets these standards. Every single one. Even better? Focus on top-tier certification, not brand names. This means higher detergent levels that actually clean your engine. Costco is top tier. Many premium brands aren't. Real-world test? Edmunds tested different fuel brands for 50,000 miles. The result? Zero measurable difference in engine performance, cleanliness, or longevity between brands. But brand loyalty costs you. That recommended station charges 20 cents more per gallon. 2 fill-ups per month? 15 gallons each? That's $72 per year you're overpaying because of a marketing deal in your manual. Your manual might also say, top-tier detergent gasoline recommended. That matters. The specific brand doesn't. Stop being loyal to gas station brands like they're sports teams. They don't care about you. They care about profit margins. Find the cheapest, top-tier station near you and save your money. Your engine will run exactly the same, and your wallet will actually have cash in it. There you have it. 10 fuel myths that have been robbing you blind, and you didn't even know it. Which myth were you guilty of? Drop it in the comments. No judgment. And if this just saved you serious cash, smash that subscribe button. Your wallet just got a lot heavier. Now go spend that money on something that actually matters. See you in the next one.